So today we're unboxing the ArmorGrid Pro Grand Combo by Benks. This case was sent to me by Benks, so thank you so much to them for sending it out. We're unboxing this for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra in the color cream. The ArmorGrid Pro Grand Combo comes with the hinge phone case, a front phone case cover, and the GlassWarrior screen protector. The feel of this case is very grippy, almost rubberized, and that's thanks to the Kevlar and rubber combo built into the material. It's slim and lightweight, coming in at just 43 grams, so it keeps the phone minimal, exactly how it was meant to be used. Also, the magnet strength on this case is very impressive, especially for a case that's this thin. I really love how this color looks against the cream Fold 8 Ultra. I wasn't sure how it would look going in since I'm usually more of a clear case person, but this one is a major win. I also love how the front cover dips down slightly around the edge, so you can still use swipe gestures on the front display without the ledge getting in the way. All the ports, speakers, and the camera cutout line up perfectly too. Nothing feels off or blocks anything. And the hinge case on the back gives great protection without sticking out too much. It actually adds a bit more grip when you're using the phone open, which I really like. I'm recording this voiceover 1 week post having the phone, and I'll just say up front, this case is my favorite for the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra so far, hands down. When you open the box, I have to say, I really love the presentation Benks gives its customers. When you order this set, this is exactly how it comes, and it's genuinely impressive. It includes instructions, a back cover, and a front cover, just like the previous case, and a glass screen protector and installation kit to apply it. Before putting on the case, let's install the glass screen protector first, since I just unboxed this phone and want it fully protected before I start using it. Just wiping down the screen first, as you can see, the installation is really easy and straightforward. Just follow the steps on the instructions and make sure there's no dust or bubbles before you lay it down. Once it's on, just squeegee out any bubbles and dust particles and that's it. Super easy to install, you can barely tell it's on, and it's giving really good front of phone protection. Now let's install the case. We'll start with the back case first. Putting the back case on is super easy, and the front case goes on right after. This case requires 0 stickers, which I'm a big fan of. It doesn't come with any and it doesn't need any. It's been a perfect fit, hasn't moved or budged at all. So this is how it looks, just a bit of branding on the hinge. The hinge is white, which I like because it pairs seamlessly with the color of the phone. And I also love that this case lets the actual color of my phone shine through. It complements the cream color on my phone perfectly. The front cover also has that same sloped edge, which makes it easier to use swipe gestures or type on the front display. Especially important on the Fold8 Ultra since it's narrower than a regular phone or the standard Z Fold 8. This case also has magnets, so it supports Qi2 wireless charging. The magnets are great, they've held up well for charging and for the MagSafe accessories too. Actually, I think MagSafe accessories on this phone deserve their own video because they really do level up how you use it, but I'll save that for later. Here's the back of the phone. There's a little bit of protrusion from the hinge, but not enough to make the phone feel uncomfortable or bulky. The fit is perfect, and I love that the fingerprint reader and buttons have full cutouts, so you can see the color, design, and style of the phone clearly through the clear case. This is the case I'll be reaching for most going forward because I really love being able to see the actual color of my phone, but also have it protected at the same time. Now that I've had some time with this phone, I also do want to give a 1-week review, first impressions, kind of recap video about the Z Fold 8 Ultra. So please make sure that you're subscribed and you have your notification bell turned on so you don't miss that video coming up. So that's both cases side by side. Honestly, they solve two different things. The Pro is that grippy, reinforced, Kevlar backed feel if you want your fold to feel a little bit more protected day to day. The Crystal is for people like me who just want the case to disappear and let the phone's actual color and design do the talking, while still getting the same hinge and front frame protection underneath. I'll drop both of these below along with my code if you want to grab either one for your own Fold 8 or Fold 8 Ultra. Let me know down in the comments which one you'd pick. I'll catch you in the next video.